Hi everyone. Let's see how the Smart Rule Builder works in PayRules. Here, you search and pick the conditions you need, and the app will match them to the right combination. Let's say you want to hide COD for international orders, but only for a specific product. Type Products in the search bar and select Products. Then search Shipping Country and select Shipping Country. As soon as you select both, Step 2 shows your matching combination on the right. Now let's go to the rule page and add our values. That's how you add your values here for now. Let's go back and try another example. Say you want to hide a payment method for specific province/state codes. Search province/state codes and select province/state codes. Right away, your matching combination shows up on the right. Let's go to the rule page again and add our value. That's how easy it is to search, pick conditions, and add your values with the Smart Rule Builder. Thanks for watching.